How to delete chat history in Tinder. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to learn how we can delete chat history on Tinder, so make sure to stick with me till the end. So if you want to delete a chat history, which means everything that you've talked so far on Tinder, it's actually quite simple to do so. You have to open the Tinder application and then you will see this type of interface here, right? Now what you actually have to do over here is, in my case I don't have any chats because this is just a dummy account, so you have to select that chat, and when you select that chat you will find the three dots option from the top right hand side, and when you click on the three dots option there, you'll find an option known as delete message. So tap on delete message and all the chats, including the history, everything that you've sent and received, is going to get deleted. And that's all it takes to delete chat history in Tinder. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.